It's Bill again, and I'm going to make something easy, fun, very little challenge to this, and you can do it any way you want. But basically it's a smash burger taco. What a great concept. So first thing, I got a little bit of just canola oil in here, just some neutral kind of oil, just getting it warm. Normally I would do this step ahead of time. Basically take sour cream, and I'm going to put a little salsa in it. I like hot salsa, especially when you're mixing with sour cream. Just kind of mix that together. Take it nice, pretty, yeah, almost like dressing consistency. Doesn't have to be perfect. And like I said, normally I would do this up ahead of time so it'd be in the refrigerator. But I wanted you to see how easy this step is. I'm just going to set it aside. It'll be fine. So there are two things. What is a smash burger? A smash burger is where you take like 3 to 4 ounces of good ground beef, any kind that you would eat, and we're going to put it in a hot pan and we're going to smush it down, okay? What a concept. I'm going to show you a couple tricks for that. So I think it's definitely hot enough. So some spatulas just really aren't that great, right? I mean, I can start this process, but it's not doing a great job. I have a pie server that's really pretty tough. Look at how great that does. Just kind of work it around. And I like having a really big pan so I'm not burning my fingers on the edge of the pan. As you can see, it's pretty easy to do. And if you're not sure exactly how to do this, I'll tell you what you need to do is just work your way around till you get a pretty flat little burger there, right? And if you're not sure about time cooking, it's about 2 minutes, okay? So if I had my timer sitting here, which I don't, I'd be like, oh look, we're about 1 minute in. And really the concept is just to get some crusties on the outside. So you want a pretty hot heat. I've tried this at different heat ranges, and if you get it too hot, you end up smoking everything and burning it and making it really cruddy. So kind of, I guess the other thing is you want some like flour tortilla kind of on the small side, because ultimately you want something that's about the size of the burger. I got one picked out. Maybe reclosing some of these. Really closing these. Always check to make sure. So I can see color coming up the edges. You know, it's getting brown. So I know we're getting really close. So we're probably 1 minute and 45 seconds into it. We got about 15-20 seconds to go here. And it gets more fun, don't worry. So what I want to do before this all splatters up, I'm going to take it, flip it. See, I got some good crusties on here, right? Well, now before it gets too cooked, a couple little secrets. I'm going to put just a pinch of oregano. I know you're surprised, but oregano is really good, a lot of Mexican flavoring. And I tried this with like cumin and cayenne pepper, but I really think just a dash of chili powder just to get a little flavor, because the salsa is going to give you most of the flavor. All right. Now I'm going to get a couple pieces of American cheese, right? And then what do? I'm going to put the tortilla right on top. Now we're really going to press the heck and use our hand. Fish. I hear people say the biggest complaint is about smash burgers. Why do you want to smash all the juice out? But it's just the whole experience of making a smash burger, so try it. You might actually like it. And that cheese is doing great things now, right? This is really softening up their tortilla shell. But that's not all, because guess what we want to do? Give them that a little more time. And this side probably is going to take about a minute. And if you flatten it really good, that's all it'll take. 2 minutes on the first side, flip it a minute. Now we're going to flip it again. So you want to just let that kind of cook in there. It's going to get nice and puffy and make that tortilla shell like really nice and soft, more like a burger bun, right? Now I have tried these a few different ways, and I have determined that the smart thing to do is to eat it open faced, more like a tostito or something. Now I'm pretty sure American cheese, you know, just like melts like no problem. And this is not like that stuff you buy in the dairy section. This is actually stuff from the deli. Alright, so we got a nice shell. Turn this off and move it, because it scares me a little bit. So what do I want to do? I'm just going to put a little green stuff on here. Any kind of shredded lettuce. And this is the most important part. Go a little crazy. Really adds a lot of flavor. Like I said, start with some decent meat anyways. Don't that look easy and fun and good? This is good to eat, okay? I'm really drooling over this thing. Like I said, 3 to 4 ounces of ground beef. Flatten the heck out of it, get it crusty on one side, flip it, cook it another minute. Smash burgers are not meant to be, you know, medium rare. It's going to be medium or a little more. And that thing looks really good. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just telling you. So, try it. You'll like it. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.